Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to receive USDT TRC20 on Binance. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on assets. All right. Just tap on it. And after that, make sure that you are under the exchange tab. Now, once you're in here, just tap on add funds. Now go ahead and go to the bottom and tap on deposit crypto. Just tap on it. Now in here at the top, you're going to want to make use of the search function and type in USDT like that and tap on the first search result. In here, as you can see, under choose network, select Tron TRC20. Just tap on it. Now here you have your QR code. If you want to, you can go ahead and share this QR code to whoever is going to share the USDT to your Binance. Okay. If not, you have the option here to copy the deposit address. Just go ahead and tap on the copy button. Tap on it. Now, let's say, for example, we wanted to transfer from Bybit right here. With the same set of steps, assets. Just tap on withdraw. Unhide zero balances. Now look for USDT as well. Okay. Tap on the first search result. Now here, as you can see, USDT is selected. Just go ahead and put the address right here that you just copied on Binance. Okay. After that, just tap on the drop down right here under network, tap on it, and here you have TRC20. And here, just put the amount, and the minimum would be 2.6. And after that, just hit on withdraw and just wait for the amount to go through your Binance account. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.